Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send XRP from your Trust Wallet to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process simple and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring your XRP like a pro. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Trust Wallet app and an Uphold account set up. In 2025, crypto regulations might have evolved, so double-check that your wallets are updated and compliant with the latest rules. Open your Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and navigate to the XRP token in your portfolio. If you don't see it, you might need to add it manually by searching for XRP in the token search bar. Next, head over to your Uphold account on your computer or app. Log in and go to your XRP wallet section. Here, you'll find your unique XRP deposit address. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Remember, in 2025, Uphold might have enhanced security features, so verify that you're copying the correct address from the right account. Now, back in Trust Wallet, tap on your XRP balance and select the Send option. Paste the Uphold address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, but be mindful of any network fees. XRP transactions are usually fast and cheap, but fees can vary based on network congestion. Before you hit confirm, review everything: the address, the amount, and the fees. It's always a good idea to start with a small test transfer if you're unsure. Once you're ready, confirm the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen. Approve it with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. The transaction should process quickly on the XRP ledger, often in seconds. Keep an eye on your Trust Wallet for the transaction status. After that, hop back to Uphold and refresh your XRP balance. It might take a minute or two to appear, depending on network confirmations. And voila! You've successfully sent XRP from Trust Wallet to Uphold. A quick word of advice: always prioritize security in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. Use hardware wallets for larger amounts and enable two-factor authentication everywhere. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages for Trust Wallet and Uphold. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.